In today's video, we will be smoking some fish, and trust me, you will love the result. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes. So I have my belt fish. This is belt fish, and some of you might have seen this clip before. Okay, I added it. Maybe today will be someone's first time of visiting, so that he or she will know how I cleaned it. So I cut that part and then I'll bring out the intestine. Thank you so much. Please, when you are watching videos, remember to watch with sound, okay, especially if you want to learn something from that video. Okay, sometimes you will say something in the video and someone will ask you a question that you answered in the video, and sometimes we may say something with our mouth whilst we did not add it in the process for you to see, because if we add everything without saying it whilst doing the voiceover, the video will be very long. So sometimes we may add maybe some pepper, we did not show it in the video, but we said it in the video. So please, when you are watching video, try and watch it with sound. So after that, I'll just fold the fish as you are seeing on the screen. If you want to cut those fins, you can go ahead and cut it, but I don't want to. I want it. Okay, yes. And moreover, this 2 days ago, someone sent me a video that she prepared, not someone, my sister, my little sister, okay, sent me a video that she prepared my agbelikaklo. It didn't taste, okay, it didn't taste like the agbelikaklo, and I was laughing. I was like, did you add salt? He said no. I said, now we are someone. Are you a ghost? Because I know it is only ghosts who cannot eat salt. So why they said you didn't add it in the video? I said it in the video. I said, oh, I muted it when I was watching. I was like, wow, look at this. So you watch someone's video and you blame the person. Meanwhile, you did not pay attention to the video. That is just by the way. So please watch with sound when you are watching someone's video, okay, before you blame them. The next one is tuna. So I'm just going to cut it, mark it this way, and then cut it behind the camera, because not everyone wants to see the blood and the things that will be coming out. So now this is how our fish is looking. I've added my salt. Anyone who did not watch with sound may think I added Maggi cube, but this is pink salt. So watch with sound. Today, maybe I'm mobile. Watch with sound, okay? So I've added some water. I will just let it stay for a while for it to get that nice taste, okay? Now the next one is the tuna. I have cleaned it very well. Behind the camera, I'll just go ahead and then add some lemon juice to it, and then we proceed. So I brought everything out as I'm showing on the screen, like how I did to the first fish, okay? I will add the lemon juice to bring out some of the fishy scent from the fish. You know how tuna is very fishy, so the lemon really helps it, okay? Now I've clean it very well with some water. I'll go ahead and add some salt. That is pink salt, not Maggi cube. Let it stay for a while. And the third fish is round scad, okay? I will do the same thing to that. I have this bucket that is purposely for fish, okay? So I've placed everything in there, and 30 minutes later I removed the scad fish. 45 minutes later, I removed the belt fish, and the tuna was in the salt for 1 hour. After that, I will strain the water from it very well, let it dry on the rack, and then smoke it. This is how it looks. Just look at that beautiful outcome. And this, oh my goodness, I use it for peanut butter soup. If you've not watched that video, please do so for me, and please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. It is free. My name is Lena, and thank you for watching. Bye.